Bought 3 books in my wallet and rent's due in 2 days. Living paycheck to pressure in 1,000 different ways. The fridge hums louder than usual, like it knows I'm barely there. Instant noodles, half a smile, man, life just isn't fair. Landlord's knocking with reminders. I'm not like, yeah, I know, but I'm working double shifts just to stay afloat. They don't see the grind behind the broken grin. They just see what's missing, not the fight within. Rent's too hard, but I'm still standing here, chasing down tomorrow through every unpaid fear. They say just work harder, like I'm not burning out. I'm doing all I can, still sinking in doubt. Yeah, rent's too hope slow, but I won't let go. Dreams on layaway, and peace feels like a myth, but I still clock in on time, even when my soul drifts. Friends say things will change, but change don't fill a plate. And waiting for the miracle feels a lot like fate. Still I fold my laundry slow, like it's proof that I exist. And even on empty, I find strength in this. Rent's too hopeful, but I won't disappear. I've built a life from nothing, and I'm still drawing near to something I can't name yet, but I'll know it when it shows. Rent's too hopeful, but my spirit still grows. One day I'll breathe easy in a place I can't afford, but until then I'll keep marching through every locked door. So if you feel like giving up, just know you're not alone. Rent's too hope slow, but we still carry on.